Welcome to my YouTube channel. The 2025 KTM 450SX F Factory Edition is a motocross bike designed for serious riders who want top-tier performance on the track. This bike combines advanced technology, powerful features, and lightweight design to give you the edge over the competition. Whether you're racing in a professional event or riding for fun, this bike is built to impress with its incredible power and handling. One of the standout features of the 2025 KTM 450SX F Factory Edition is its engine. It's powered by a 449cc four-stroke engine that delivers massive power. This means you get smooth acceleration and strong performance at all speeds. Whether you're jumping, cornering, or speeding down straightaways, the engine is also finely tuned for maximum efficiency, providing excellent throttle response and minimal vibration, so you can focus entirely on the ride. In addition to its powerful engine, the bike has an advanced exhaust system. The new exhaust has been optimized to enhance power delivery and reduce noise. This makes it more environmentally friendly without sacrificing performance. Combined with the fuel injection system, the bike runs smoothly, providing better fuel efficiency and more predictable handling. The 2025 KTM 450SX F Factory Edition also comes with top-notch suspension components. It features a WPX ACT fork and a WPX ACT shock, both of which are fully adjustable. This means you can fine-tune the suspension to match your riding style and track conditions, giving you better control and stability. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or smooth dirt, the suspension is designed to absorb bumps and jumps efficiently, keeping the bike stable and comfortable throughout the ride. Another highlight is the bike's lightweight chassis. KTM is known for creating bikes that are light but strong, and the 450SX F Factory Edition is no exception. The frame is made from high-strength steel, which makes the bike durable without adding unnecessary weight. The lightweight design helps improve handling, making it easier to navigate tight turns and corners, and also reduces rider fatigue over long races. The 2025 KTM 450SX F Factory Edition also features modern electronics that improve performance. It has a digital ride mode selection system, which allows riders to choose between different power modes to suit different track conditions. This level of customization helps the rider maintain control in various environments, whether it's a muddy race or a dry, hard-packed track. The bike also comes with traction control and launch control, which provide extra grip and prevent wheel spin when you start racing. For added convenience, the bike has a strong and lightweight aluminum swing arm that improves stability while reducing overall weight. The graphics on the bike are striking and modern, reflecting the factory edition's high-performance pedigree.